A section of heavily traveled Sardis Road in South Charlotte is back open tonight after flooding shut it down earlier.
Meteorologist Jim Lytle is in South Charlotte tonight to show us how neighbors really came together to get that area back open.
Hi, meteorologist Jim Lytle here. We're in South Charlotte. This is a street that was closed for, a good hour or so because of extreme flooding. We're in the Sardis Hills neighborhood near Sardis Road in South Charlotte here, not far from 51 and Randolph Road. And the road behind me was flooded with a good foot of water, all kinds of muck, mud, debris. We saw soccer balls, pieces of furniture, big limbs and tree branches that just got washed down this hill here and all populated there along the storm drains and caused flooding. The Charlotte-Mecklenburg police were here earlier. They were keeping the road blocked. And these two gentlemen, Nicholas and George, father-son, right? Yes. Came down to try to unplug the drains. They did a great job of it because look what's happened. The street is open now. The mud has been still there and the debris is still there, but at least the traffic is flowing on Sardis. What was it like when you guys first came down here and when the drains were all plugged?
Well, he called me from work and says, "You cannot come up our street, Dad." So I had to go way around Thermal, back way, and then use Old Bell. The problem with this neighborhood is only two ways in and out.
Oh, my.
So this was shut. We only had one way in and out.
With water a foot deep, you could easily get your car stalled out in it. Again, this is happening in other parts of the county. We're certain if you see water like this, do not attempt to go across it. In fact, we saw one car that actually got pulled out of the water here because they went and got their engine got stalled and flooded. That could happen to you. So be careful. Here in South Charlotte, Sardis Road is now open, and we're pleased to report that traffic's going a little too fast, but still it's open, and the commuters can get back to here, South Charlotte. Well, reporting from South Charlotte, Jim Lytle, Queen City News.
What an amazing story. A father and son duo.
They have a great story to tell, and also
Yes.
great that they did that for the whole neighborhood as well.
Absolutely, yeah.